So you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025? Well, I got a few quick tips for you. The first thing I would say is you definitely don't need to stress out about making sure that you get the perfect niche before you start. I would say just start. And the reason I would say that is because you won't learn a thing until you start doing actual YouTube things. That was one of my biggest mistakes. I waited years to start YouTube. I should not have waited years to start YouTube. I should have just started back in the day when it first came out. I was already making videos. I was already an adult when YouTube came out. That's what all these grays are here. And I really should have started sooner. And it is very possible to monetize. It's not one of those things where it's like, oh, like you're becoming a famous celebrity or something. No, anybody can monetize a YouTube channel. I haven't monetized this one here because this one I just started to talk to people about monetizing YouTube channels, because I don't want my algorithm to mess up on my other channel where it's like, okay, you have this content and YouTube help videos. I don't want all that. So I'm putting this stuff here. So if you want more YouTube help videos and how to get started, how to do those things, subscribe to this channel, not the other one. And so just push that little subscribe button, and then you'll get notifications for YouTube-y stuff. And you definitely want to make sure that you just kind of start. Get yourself a general niche, like maybe you like cars, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you like knitting or playing guitar, or just something. And your channel could morph into something else. There's this doctor, I can't remember his name. I'd love to put his name up there, but he's a big YouTuber, and he started off helping medical students get into med school. Well, now he has a channel and a program where he helps people start YouTube channels. It has nothing to do with each other, other than the fact that he's apparently good at helping people. But picking a niche can be a very difficult thing, but I think that you shouldn't bog yourself down with that. Just start recording videos, start talking to the camera, start talking to the people, and eventually I think you're going to find yourself doing videos that you liked doing and that the people liked watching, and then double down on that stuff. And it's very wise, the car could have killed me. It's very wise to just get started, because you don't know anything about YouTube yet. You are going to learn as you do it. You are not going to learn sitting around watching other people tell you how to do YouTube unless you put those things to practice. You can say all day long you know how to make a viral video, but until you give it a shot, you don't know. And I will tell you this, may be a little bit of encouragement. I monetized my channel without any coaching programs, without a video going viral, and I really didn't spend much money on it at all in the beginning. So you absolutely can do this. Don't give up. Don't look at it like it's some super hard thing to do, though it is difficult. I am here to help you. I did it with very little help, and if I can do it with very little help, you can do it with some help. I don't know anybody personally that has monetized a YouTube channel in my life, so that road gets pretty lonely. Look at it, nobody's there, but you can absolutely subscribe to this channel. I'll talk to you about those things. I'm thinking about doing a live stream too soon, where you can actually ask questions. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments if that would be something you'd be interested in. You can watch live streams with big YouTubers all day long. It's clear to me when I hear them talk, they have forgotten what it was like in the beginning. They have their clout. They have their years of experience. They have years of experience from the beginning days of YouTube, which has changed a lot. And they built themselves up big back when the competition was less. It's different now. And I am here for you to be a sounding ear, to be a guide. I'm just one step ahead of you, basically, is how you should look at it. If you're having that difficulty, I've had that difficulty. I've been there, done that, and gotten my channel monetized, and I'm gonna get this channel monetized too. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm not sure how much effort I'm gonna put in this channel, but I definitely am aware that too many people are going to extremely big YouTubers for advice, and they'll never talk to these people for advice about how to do their YouTube channel, when these big YouTubers are often starting these channels based on their clout, based on their popularity, using their other channels to blow up their channels. I'm not even mentioning this channel on my other channel because I don't want it to mess up the algorithm. And I'll give you another tip. Once you get that niche figured out, there are 2 ways you can start a YouTube channel. It's not really true, there's a ton of ways. But what I'm talking about in specific is you can either blast it to all of your friends and family, which if you have good friends and family, they will subscribe to your channel. And if you don't, they won't. If you have everybody subscribed that knows you, you'll get a bunch of subscribers in the beginning. It'll feel kind of fun. You'll be like, oh man, I got 100 subscribers in a month. That's great. But the problem is they're only subscribing to support you. They don't care about your knitting channel. They don't care about your guitar channel or your how to fix cars or air conditioners channel. They don't care. And they're not going to watch, not just more importantly, your content. Even if they do watch every video of yours all the way through, they're not going to watch other content in that niche. The algorithm is going to be like, people that like surfing, if you're a surfing channel, people that like surfing don't watch your channel. It's people that don't like surfing that watch your channel. And that really screws up the algorithm. So one of the other ways you can start is you don't tell anybody. And you know that after a few months, you might not even have a single subscriber, because the algorithm takes a while to figure out what to do and where. So what you just need to do is start making a video or 2 a week, maybe even very little editing. Just start doing stuff to figure out what you like talking about, what people like hearing you talk about that you also enjoy, and just put it out there. Get that out there, and don't worry about subscribers in the beginning. Because trust me, if you make enough videos and you do enough content that people care about, do enough research on what people care about, you are going to get subscribers. It's more important that those subscribers are subscribers that not only watch your content, but watch content just like yours. I like Superman stuff. So I watch, did you figure that out already? So I watch Superman videos. If I was to subscribe to someone's Superman channel, it wouldn't be a problem, because I'm watching other Superman type channels or superhero related channels. It's not, the algorithm is going to be like, yeah, we know what to give this guy, and it'll probably be pretty accurate for the most part. If someone sends me a ballerina channel, I don't watch ballerina videos. No offense to ballerinas. I just, I don't watch them. They're not superheroes to me. They may be to some people, but they're not to me. So that would be bad for their algorithm, because what would happen is it would say, this guy watches all these ballerina videos on this one channel, but it doesn't watch any other ballerina videos. What's going on here? And anyways, the algorithm will get confused and it won't know what to do. What is that, a spider web? Hopefully there's no spider. And it's just important to make sure that you realize subscribers aren't nearly as important as organic views. You want people that found your videos naturally through the YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm will figure out why that happened and do it more and more and more. It will not figure out why people are watching your videos when you told them on Facebook and then they went and subscribed. It doesn't know what to do with that. It's like, that's weird. They're getting subscribers out of nowhere. I didn't guide them there. How did they find out? So you want it to be as organic as possible on YouTube only. And if you need help figuring out how to do that, subscribe. And leave a comment if you have any questions I didn't cover. I absolutely am willing to talk to you guys about this stuff and help you figure out how to start a new channel, what you should do. And I will continue to put out videos on that. And if you would like watch another video that I've done, I have one on shorts right here.